Hi guys, I'm here in my backyard again, and I have been told I have to grow Reaper this year. And I have agreed that I will taste the Reaper, which is the world's hottest pepper. And anyone who knows me, I do not like hot foods. I've worked my way up just past a jalapeno, so this should be very interesting. But I've decided that what I'm going to do, wait, before I tell you that, you can see how many blooms are coming. So I'm going to have a lot of Reapers, I think. So anyone who has had a Reaper, what I would like is if you guys can, you can either come into the garden center and let me know, or if you can share how you eat your Reaper, whether you just eat it or put it in a recipe or what you do, because I want to choose someone's recipe and make it, and then you'll film me eating it. I'm very scared. I don't know why I have agreed to do this, but I will. So if everyone can share, whoever can share what they do or their tips for me or anything like that to survive this, that would be great. And soon enough, we'll be watching me eat a Reaper. See you guys.